everyone. Good morning all. How are you? All are fine? Well, very good. So these classes, these videos, or you can say the e-classes, are you learning with them or not? Because the main focus is to learn. जो मैम आपको सिखाना चाह रही हैं, are you getting those things or not, is the main part that I need to know. Clear? So please share your feedbacks whether you are actually understanding it or not. And in case of any doubt, I can see that 2 or 3 students are approaching me in the evening time. So please feel free to call and clear your doubts. I'm always there to help you out in the best possible way I can. Okay, my dear littles? Okay, now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So today is 24th September 2020. So our today's date is 24th. September month is going on and the year is 2020. And the day is Thursday. So because it's Thursday, our first class is Maths class. And in Maths, we have learned a new topic, or we have learned a new concept, that is subtraction. So are you all able to speak it now? Subtraction. The word is subtraction. So when you will break and you will speak now, बहुत easily बोल पाएंगे. See, subtraction, subtraction. Is that clear? Okay. So what is the sign of this subtraction? A sign. What we call this sign, बच्चा? We call it minus. And what is the other sign? जो हमने किया है. What is this sign called? Plus. And what is the meaning of this sign? Addition. When we are adding the things, जब हम सबको एक साथ add करते हैं. And subtraction is when we have given something, जब हमारे पास total given चीज में से कुछ कम हो जाता है, तो कितना बचा हुआ है? How many is left with us? Okay. So today what we are going to do? One more thing which I want to tell you about subtraction is, जब भी हम subtraction करते हैं, always remember जो हमारा first digit है वो बड़ा होता है और जो second digit है वो small होता है. Clear? जब भी subtraction करेंगे always remember हम big number से small number को subtract करेंगे. If I will write 2 minus 4, that is wrong. 4 में से हमको 2 माइनस करने. क्लियर? 2 में से 4, जब आपके पास है ही 2 टॉफीज, तो आप उसमें से 4 टॉफीज कैसे खाओगे? 4 टॉफीज होंगी तभी तो आप 2 खा पाओगे ना उसमें से. So always remember that while doing your subtraction, always the bigger number will come first and the number that is small will come the second. Clear? Okay. Now moving towards today's work. So what I am going to teach you today is how to subtract numbers and clarify with pictures. See, हम pictures और numbers को साथ-साथ करेंगे ताकि आपको समझ में आए and you are able to check your answers also. The best part in mathematics is आप अपना आंसर खुद से tally कर सकते हो, खुद से check भी कर सकते हो. This is what I want to teach you ताकि आपको कहीं पर भी कोई गलती का चांस ही ना मिले. Clear? So now let us see this first box. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many leaves we have? 4 leaves. Okay. Now what sign is this? Minus. What is the meaning of minus? We have to cut. Cross करना है, उसमें से हटाना है. Clear? Minus how many? 2. So what we'll do? I'll cross like this. आपने देखा? मैम ने 2 को क्रॉस लगा दिया. 2 leaves पे क्रॉस लग गया. Okay. Now how many leaves are left with us? 1, 2. How many leaves are left? 2 leaves. So what I'll do? I'll write 2 here. ठीक है? Now let us check this on our fingers. So total how many we have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2. माइनस का जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू मतलब 2 को कट करना है. 1, 2. So we are left with 1, 2. So our answer is correct. Clear? This is how we do our work as well as we check. So let us see how many lollipops we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 lollipops. Now in the evening, one of your friend came. आपके friend आता है. Then what happened? उसमें से कितनी lollipops minus हो जाती है? 3. 1 आप see. Now first we count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lollipops. 1 आपने खाई, 1 friend ने खाई, 1 दीदी ने खाई. So now how many are left? 1, 2, 3. Clear? So we'll write 3 here. So as I told you, 1 आपने खा ली, 1 friend ने खाई, and 1 you have given to your दीदी. So now how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So we have got our number here 3. Understood, class? This is the easiest way to check your answers and to solve the given sum. Now next we have is 5 balls. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 balls. अब 5 balls में से क्या हुआ? 4 balls आपने अपने friends को दे दी. You have distributed. जब आप उनको दे दिए, when you have given them, so now they are not with you. हमारे पास जब चीज है, तो that means जब हमारे पास थी, तो 5 balls थी. Now you have given 4 balls to your friends. तो अब 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls तो हमने दे दी. Now how many balls is left with us? Only 1 ball. Because 4 balls you have given. Now you have only 1 ball. So we'll write 1 here. Is that clear? 5 were there with us. 1 आपने दी, फिर दूसरे friend को दी. Then you gave to another friend, then 1 more friend. आपने अपने 4 friends को ball दे दी. Now how many ball is left with us? Only 1 ball. Is that clear? Next we have is tree. So 1, 2, 3. How many trees we have? 3 trees we have. Now what happened? One of the tree fell down. उसको क्या हुआ? पानी नहीं मिला. See, कितनी तेज गर्मी है ना? The weather is very hot. तो क्या होता है? हमें plants को water करना पड़ता है. But what happened? Nobody gave water to this tree. और क्या हुआ? बहुत तेज हवा आई, तूफान आया, and the tree fell down. So one tree is gone, which is very bad. We should plant more trees. So one tree is gone. Now how many trees are left with us? 1, 2. So what we'll do? We'll write 2 here. Is that clear to everyone? How we are doing subtraction? We also called subtraction as take away. जब मैम आपको बुक्स देती हैं, ठीक है, मैम ने आपको इंग्लिश की, हिंदी की, मैथ्स की, ईवीएस की नोटबुक दे दी, ठीक है, फिर क्या किया? यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर वर्क एंड मैम हैज टेकन बैक. मैम ने वापस ले ली इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मैथ्स. तो आपके पास कौन सी बची? बस 1 ईवीएस ना. सो टेकन अवे मतलब वापस ले लेना. जब मैम ने आपको दी, तो फिर उसके बाद आई हैव टेकन अवे, वापस ले लेना. उसमें से आपके पास से वापस ले ली मैम ने, तो आपके पास तो बस 1 ही बची ना. So subtraction is also called to take away. Clear everyone? Okay. So now moving towards our today's work. What you are going to do? You are going to practice work, or you can say sums like these with pictures in your notebook. No book work today. So today's work to be done in your notebook. And how you are going to do? I'll just show you. It is not compulsory to take these pictures only. You can draw any picture you are comfortable with. But the only thing जो आपको ध्यान रखना है, you have to remember कि आपका जो number है should not cross 9. Because right now we are doing only single digits. Clear? आप जैसे मैम ने ये 4 pictures बनाई है, 5 बनाई है, 9 से ज़्यादा pictures अभी नहीं बनाने हैं. We are only doing single digits. जब we will start doing 2 digits, उस time पे we will start making more pictures. Okay class? So let us see how we are going to this work in our note. Okay. So class, now see, I have drawn some pictures like this in notebook today. Can you see? Leaves, lollipops, smiles, then we have candies. So you can draw any picture, the one which was on board, or you can take these also. So take few sums like these and then you have to solve it out. So now let us see how we are going to do that. First is to write today's date here. So what is our today's date? 24th September 2020. So we'll write that 24th September 2020 like this, and this is your classwork. So I have mentioned that here. Is that clear? Now the next is to write down the topic subtraction. After writing this topic, please don't forget to put the sign also. Clear? Now next, let us begin with the work. So the first picture have 4 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many leaves we have to cut? Can anyone tell me? How many leaves we are going to cut here? We are going to cut 3 leaves. Isn't it? So what you can do, either you can use your regular pencils to cut, or if you want you can use your color pencils also here. So what we are going to do, I am going to use color pencils so that it is easily we can see and we can differentiate that yes, we have done some cutting. So I am using a blue color pencil. So how many to be cut? 3. When you are going to begin the work to cut the pictures, always begin with right hand side. Right hand side से left hand side तक cut करेंगे हम. So 1, 2, 3. Clear? So now how many are left with us? Only 1. So what we are going to do? We are going to put a equal to mark here, or you can say you have to directly write down here 1. Like this you will do this work. Clear? You can write directly 1 here and write 1 here also. Understood? Now next we have is lollipops. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lollipops I have. Now how many I have to minus? How many to be taken away? 2. So what we'll do? 1, 2. So now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what should I write here now? I am going to write 4. Understood class? Next is we have smiles. So let us just count how many smiles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 smiles, and how many to be taken away? 4. So let us take away 4 smiles now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 को cut किया. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So what number to be written here now? We are going to write 3 here like this. Is that clear? Now moving to the next, we have candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now how many candies to be taken away? Only 1. So what we'll do, we'll put a cross here. Like this, I have put in a cross mark. So now what is the next one? We are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. तो कितनी candies बची हमारे पास? We have 4 here. So I'll write 4. Understood how you are going to do your work? See, you can draw any picture and do this work. So this is how you are going to do your today's classwork as well as homework. So I'm going to write here, your homework is same as classwork. So homework is same as classwork. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is कि जैसे आपने ये क्लास वर्क किया है, as you have drawn some pictures and you have done your work, similarly आप किसी और numbers के साथ taking different pictures and numbers, you are going to do work here on the other side also as your homework. ये आपका class work है, this one is your class work, so you are going to do here as your homework also. Clear everyone? So class, I hope you have understood today's work that we have done using pictures and numbers and have tried subtraction sums today. So this work to be done in your notebook, do your work, share your work, and as I told you, do this work once as a class work and on the other page as your homework. Take different pictures and different numbers for the same, but सारे numbers from 0 to 9 होने चाहिए. Clear? Don't go with 2 digits. Only practice single digit subtraction first. Is that clear? Repeatedly I am saying, any doubts, please call me, please ask me. Bye all, take care and get ready for the next class. Bye.